Alyssa, who signed your guitar?
Brian May from Queen signed my guitar. It's not a copy or anything. It's originally signed, which is
Actual
so cool.
Brian May signed this guitar.
I know, and it's amazing just because this guitar, like the red special, I love it.
This is the red special in hot pink.
So I guess it's like the pink special.
Yes. And it took like at least 4 months to get this guitar to us after we got it. And we then had to wait even longer because we had it preserved. We took it to a place
So now it will not rub off.
so they could preserve the signature, but if you flip your guitar this way,
yeah.
you could see his signature. There it is. He wrote 2024.
Yeah.
So you could see the year that it was done and
This is my
the
prized
famous
possession.
XX that everybody in the UK
British
does.
people do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is her pink red special. Up there, that's not a signature, that's just the brand of
That's
the
the
guitar
brand.
because it's the Brian May guitar, but pretty cool, huh?
I love it though because it looks just like the red special.